Today we're taking St. Patrick's Day back from the amateurs. There will be no green dye today. We're going to take the beloved Guinness and turn it into a rich, deep, sweet syrup to make a cocktail. No green dye needed. We're going to take the Guinness, mix in some brown sugar, a little bit of salt, and some vanilla. Now let's get this onto our stove at a medium-low heat. So we're starting with one 16-ounce standard can of draft Guinness. Medium-low heat is the key when you're reducing beer. You're looking for a gentle, lazy simmer, not a boil. If you boil it, you'll burn the residual sugars. And if you reduced it on high heat, you would extract all the bitter tannins from hops, barley, whatever is used to make the beer. And in the end, you'll be left with a syrup that tastes like an ashtray. So this has to be done low and slow. All we want to do is evaporate half the water, bringing it down to 8 ounces before we add in our sugar. This is what you're looking for, this beautiful reduced Guinness syrup. Now we're going to add in 1 cup of brown sugar while it's still warm. Whisk that in, followed by 1 tablespoon of bourbon vanilla. And now the secret weapon, kosher salt. This is going to help tame all of the bitterness within the syrup and bring everything together. Now let's take this beautiful syrup and turn it into a cocktail. I'm going to call this one the Dubliner's Downfall. Start with a big cube. We're going to hit with 2 dashes of black walnut bitters and 4 dashes of molasses bitters, followed by a ½ ounce of our syrup. For our spirit, I'm going with Stunning Bastard. This is the Danish rye whiskey finished in mezcal barrels. 2 ounces, or 60 mils. Give that a nice stir until our glass gets cold. I'm going to take my old-fashioned smoker kit, drop that right on top. For reference, that was applewood smoke. Yeah. Just the right amount of smoke hit the whiskey. That whiskey is incredible. It has the notes of mezcal kind of splattered in between the other notes. It has a little bit of smoke to it, but not too much. And some of that vegetal nature that mezcal has. You get that sweetness from the molasses, and you can taste the Guinness in every single sip. The mouthfeel is incredible. It coats every taste bud, and every time you go in for a sip, you get that smoke that just wafts over you. It finishes incredibly long, leaving you with chocolate, espresso, some clove, and some wood smoke. It's complex. Syrup would go perfect on some vanilla ice cream as well. Shut up and drink.